Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful Monday so far. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Nissan Kicks SV in a gray metallic exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of are these gorgeous LED headlights. Moving right below that, you'll see that it also comes with running LED fog lights. As we move here towards the middle, you'll see that beautiful black grille insert along with the chrome trim. And finally here for the front end, you'll see that beautiful Nissan chrome logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. And then here on your exterior as well, on the door handles, as long as that key's in your pocket and you press this button, it'll lock and unlock. Moving forward though, let's go ahead and show you guys this interior. This is going to come with a beautiful premium black cloth interior with some of this light gray on white, some of this gray stitching here. And this is actually some of white or gray accent. As we turn around here to the dash, you'll see that beautiful black dash finish along with some of this silver metallic piece running through the middle here. While we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now, on this specific Nissan Kicks, your tire depths will be 8 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 10 and 32 seconds, with your rear brakes being 5 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat, that beautiful interior will stay consistent back here as well. Here at the rear now, a couple of things to be noted back here as well. You will have a backup camera, so don't ever worry about backing up in anything. And then as you get close, you will have parking sensors, so you will hear a noise as well. While we're back here, let's go ahead and pop this trunk for you guys, show you guys just how much space there actually is back here. As you can see, there's plenty of room to haul groceries or luggage on long trips. Not to mention, you will have a privacy shader that is included. Moving now to some of the interior features of the vehicle, it will come equipped with power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. There you've got a nice little start up there on your driver display from Nissan. And you also take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just over 9,000 miles on it, very low mileage. Now, typically on this left side of your steering wheel, you would have all of the options for your headlights. However, there are none. There is a small storage compartment, however, and then down below you will have the release for your gas cap as well as your hood. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be all of your headlight adjustments as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side will be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. The left side will be your driver display options as well as your volume control. And on the right side, you'll have all of your cruise control as well as your touch-to-talk options. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, a backup camera. Now, if you don't want to use the large touchscreen display, you are going to have some manual options here to the left and right. Not to mention the climate control right here at the touch of your fingertips. And these front seats are heated as well. Down below, you are going to have a small storage compartment with a 12-volt plug-in, an auxiliary line in, and a USB port there. This is actually going to be your start and stop button, your beautiful shifter knob, your e-brake, 2 cup holders, and another small storage compartment with 2 USB ports there as well. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have lighting options for both your driver and passenger. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 1.6 liter i4 engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have just a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep your garage kept its entire life. I will also mention here on your black grille insert, you will have some slight discoloration as you can see there. Coming around here to the passenger side of the body, these rims are in great condition, no curb rash on them. And coming back here along the body, you will have no scratches, no marks, no dings, no imperfections there. However, I will mention as well, that slight discoloration that you see there on the black grille insert stays consistent here along the door panels. back here as well. Showing you guys this rear passenger side tire. Great condition as well, no curb rash on that. Coming around here to the rear, typically you would have some trunk scratches. However, with this vehicle only having around 9,000 miles on it, there are none. Coming around here to the driver's side of the body, once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings along the body. This rear driver's side tire is in great condition as well, no curb rash on that as well. And I will mention as well, here on this driver's side, it doesn't seem as though that the wear and tear of this trim hasn't hit this side. My guess would be that the other side of the vehicle was in the midst of the sun. Showing you guys this driver's side front tire, great condition as well. This was an extremely clean and very well maintained 2020. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2020 Nissan Kicks SV. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, PA.